I'm going to show you now is how it looks like on the student side, right? So if we,
Oh, okay.
so we go back and if we log in right now, and that's very cool,
Yep.
she can only see you as a teacher,
Okay, but she chose
you.
to do it with me. Okay.
What it means is that basically, um, sometimes our teachers may feel like, oh, they did the trial lesson, although it is paid, but
Yep.
why is the other person who is charging $8 an hour or $10 an hour being chosen?
Yeah, of course.
In this case, nothing. Bam. Exclusive,
That's the only one.
exclusive relationship. And
Okay.
I know,
Yeah.
I know we struggle with that, but this is what.
Yeah, but I mean, no, but it's true. But the other teachers, yeah, it's each teacher is different. Some of them charge a lot more, but fair enough.
Every woman's dream, right? Exclusive. That's what we.
Exactly. Exactly.
So that's it. And
Okay.
going forward, she needs to add money to the wallet. And
Okay.
I can create a link. I because we own Wix, and I don't know if I created a page, but it's gonna be very similar. Boom, click that, add money. Boom, right? She select.
Okay.
I can put for Russian.
You
What we
can do it in
can
Russian.
do right now, while we are at it, what we can do right now is we can actually change her password to her email address, right?
Yep. Yep.
So this way, she knows how to log in afterwards, and she doesn't have that question. So I'm gonna go in right now, and I'm gonna change password. Boom, boom. So when she asks you a question, how do I continue? You
Yep.
you go to your individual user panel.
Yes.
You use your login and password to log in.
Yep. Yep. Her email address as
Yep.
yep.
And you can even ask her to share her screen
Her screen. Yeah.
right here. That's it. First option.
Okay.
And that's it. And then you will schedule it right there and then if she so chooses. I know you're not gonna be extra pushy. So
No.
that's
Yeah, you know me.
yes. So that's it. Then
Okay.
this time I'm gonna